Hi Finn. So for anyone new to the space, what exactly is WallMax?
WallMax is a new product to the FILOform range. It is a colour-coded mechanical seal designed to make cable and pipe entries installer friendly.
How does the WallMax system work? Can you explain the modules and the frames?
Firstly, the modules. They're EDPM rubber with variable diameter technology. The layers are 1mm in concentric circles that it can be peeled to seal around pipe or cable entries. The frames are primarily steel, being that either stainless, galvanized or prime steel. These are either welded, bolted, or in the case of concrete structures, can be cast in. The modules are then compressed via an expander unit to a torque setting.
The modules are colour-coded. What was the thinking around that?
Research has shown that the brain can quickly convert small quantities into numbers. This is known as subutizing. For WallMax products, there's only 5 to 6 layers per colour coded. So this allows installers and quality inspectors to quickly recognise if the correct number of layers have been removed. This both speeds up installation and the quality checks.
What are the key reasons customers choose WallMax?
It's a quality product that allows for ease of installation, compliance and certification, flexibility in that we can customise to customers' needs, and it's a fresh approach of a highly engineered product at a competitive price.
What's the process for working with WallMax on projects?
First thing is to contact FILOform, either by phone, email or through the website. Then our engineers can ask about the install environment, the size and number of cables or pipes, the preferred method of installation and materials. From there, using the WallMax configurator tool, we can create drawings, bills of quantities, which can be altered, amended numerous times until the customer client is happy with the product. Then after supply, we can offer training for the installers, or FILOform has a team of improved installers.